Ever wondered why Rolls-Royce is the most expensive car brand? It's not just about the name or the status, but a series of deliberate choices and craftsmanship that contributes to its hefty price tag. To start with, customization is a major factor. When you order a Rolls-Royce, you're not just buying a car, you're commissioning a work of art. The brand offers a staggering 44,000 different color combinations, allowing buyers to create a vehicle that truly reflects their personality and style. From the exterior paint job to the interior trim, every detail can be tailored to the buyer's exact specifications. Unlike other car manufacturers, Rolls-Royce doesn't mass-produce its vehicles. Instead, each car is made to order, ensuring that every single vehicle is unique. Once an order is placed, the manufacturing process begins with meticulous attention to detail at every stage. This bespoke approach means that no two Rolls-Royces are identical, adding to the brand's exclusivity and appeal. The detailing on a Rolls-Royce is another factor that sets it apart. Every stitch, every panel, every piece of trim is crafted by hand, reflecting the brand's commitment to luxury and perfection. This painstaking process takes time and skill, contributing significantly to the cost of the car. A Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's an experience, and that extends to the ride itself. The brand goes to great lengths to ensure a smooth, quiet drive with 300 pounds of soundproofing insulation used in each vehicle. Additionally, special foam is placed inside the tires to minimize road noise, further enhancing the serene driving experience. And then there's the interior. Buyers can fully customize the inside of their car, from the material used on the seats to the installation of unique features such as a whiskey cabinet, a hidden safe for jewelry, or even a fridge. This level of personalization is rarely seen in other car brands, and it's part of what makes a Rolls-Royce so special. To top it all off, the car's roof comes installed with 1,600 individual lights to mimic a starry sky, adding a touch of magic to every journey. So, why is a Rolls-Royce so expensive? It's a combination of customization, exclusivity, craftsmanship, and luxury. It's about more than just getting from A to B, it's about making a statement and enjoying the journey. Every Rolls-Royce is a masterpiece, and like all masterpieces, it comes with a price to match. In summary, a Rolls-Royce is more than just a car. It's a symbol of status, a work of art, and a testament to the power of craftsmanship. The high cost is a reflection of the brand's commitment to customization, quality, and luxury, making each vehicle a unique expression of its owner's style and taste. For the price of one Rolls-Royce, you could buy 50 MARUTI DZIRE cars, but then again, a Rolls-Royce is not just a car, it's an experience. Thank you for joining us on this luxurious journey into the heart of Rolls-Royce, the epitome of automotive elegance. We hope you now understand why these cars cost a fortune and why they are worth every penny. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury and craftsmanship. Share the experience with your friends and let them too marvel at the beauty of these masterpieces. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more captivating content. Remember, luxury isn't just about owning expensive things, it's about appreciating the value, effort, and craftsmanship behind them. Until next time, stay luxurious, folks.